Happy Thanksgiving. I don't normally water before I cook Thanksgiving dinner, but I'm trying to take advantage of the sun being out. I want to water in the morning when it's sunny because my grow area gets down to 55 to 60 degrees at night. If there's water on the leaves, then it's very easy for black rot to set in on the Cattleyas. My collection is about 50% Catala, so I like to water in the morning as it gives it time for the leaves to dry before it gets cold. If the leaves are still wet once the sun sets, then it's very easy for fungus to break through. The leaves and pseudobulbs will turn black and die. I have a 5-gallon Homer bucket with a sump pump attached to a hose. I'm adding plant potion number 9 and kelp to my water. Usually winter is a rest season where I don't fertilize, but it has been very warm this fall and a lot of the Cattleyas are putting out new roots. Kelp is supposed to stimulate root growth, so I thought it would give the Cattleyas a boost. Plant potion number 9 is trace metals, and I found that it helps keep plants sturdy, the same way calcium and magnesium do, even if it doesn't boost growth in the winter. I fill the 5-gallon Homer bucket using a smaller bucket that I carried to my bathroom sink. The smaller bucket holds about 1 gallon of water, so it takes 5 trips to fill up the bigger bucket. My grow area is inside my home and it doesn't have drainage, so I wipe up all the water that gets on the floor with towels and rags. I also double water every orchid, meaning that I water once and then come back and water a second time. The first time wets the surface of the roots, and the second time allows for greater absorption, even though I'm not dispensing a lot of water. 5 gallons of water will wet about half my orchids. I can't flush the pots with water because I don't have drainage, and it would destroy the floor to have that much water everywhere. To water all the orchids on the lower shelves, I have to remove the grid that I put up to keep Pinto from eating my orchids. This makes the process longer since I have to disassemble my caging and then reassemble it once I'm done watering. I found this Catala Laura Newton ceruleaform while I was watering. I think this is my first blooming of it. I'm only sharing time-lapse video of me watering my orchids in semi-hydro with the hose. I tried to hold the head of the watering wand as close to the leca as possible to keep the accidental spillage of water on the leaves and my floor to a minimum. There is not enough time today to show watering of my mounted orchids. Space is really tight in my grow area, and I don't have any place to put my phone that wouldn't be showing primarily my butt.